Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Jeniussy Agystha Putri with NPM 2341171 from Class Management 23C. So in this first video, I will talk about financial institutions. The first thing I will explain is what is financial institutions. Financial institutions is a financial institutions that provides financing or funding services to individuals, businesses, or other entities to meet specific financial needs. These institutions aim not only to provide loans but also to support economic activities such as consumption, investment, or development by supplying necessary capital. The financing provided can take the form of credit, leasing, or other loan facilities tailored to the needs of those requiring funds. In general, financing institutions can be divided into various types such as consumer financing institutions, corporate financing institutions, microfinance institutions, and infrastructure financing institutions. And the second one is financial institutions types. Financing institutions can be divided into two main types: bank financing institutions and non-bank financing institutions. Bank financing institutions are banks that provide financing through credit products such as consumer loans, investment loans, and working capital loans. Banks have access to larger reserves and are regulated under strict oversight from banking authorities. Financing products offered by banks typically have lower interest rate compared to non-bank financing institutions, but they also come with more selective requirements. On the other hand, non-bank financing institutions include companies that are not banks but still provide financing services, such as leasing companies, venture capital firms, and pawn shops. And next is financial institution goals. The primary purpose of financing institution is to provide access for individuals, businesses, and organizations to obtain the funds they need to meet various economic needs. These institutions act as intermediaries between those who require capital and those who provide it, such as investor or financial institutions. By bridging this gap, financing institutions enable businesses, whether large or small, to expand their operations, create jobs, and increase productivity. Additionally, these institutions play a significant role in supporting the growth of consumer purchasing power, which in turn contributes to overall economic growth. Furthermore, financing institutions aim to support financial inclusion by providing services that are more accessible to different segments. And now the challenges. The primary challenge faced by financing institutions is credit risk, which refers to the possibility that borrowers may fail to meet their repayment obligations. This risk can undermine the financial stability of financing institutions and potentially lead to significant losses. To mitigate this, financing institutions must implement a risk management system, including strict credit assessment processes and effective risk mitigation strategies. These institutions typically rely on true creditworthiness evaluations to determine the borrower's ability to repay the establish appropriate lending terms. In addition, collateral requirements and loan. Why is it important? Financing institutions are important because they provide the financial access that individuals and businesses need to fund various economic activities. For individuals, these institutions offer loans or credit that enable them to purchase homes, vehicles, or meet other personal needs. For businesses, financing institutions provide capital for expansion, product development, or day-to-day operations. Without these institutions, many sectors of the economy would be hindered due to limited access to funding, which is essential for growth and development. Additionally, financing institutions play a critical role in supporting economic stability and financial inclusion. This in turn help to promote broader economic development and prosperity for a wider range. And that's all from my presentations. I hope these presentations can help you guys to know more about financing institutions. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.